Oh, okay. So there are some association areas, right? That responsible for complex functions like intersensory association, memory, and communication, right? Like so this is it. Like there are white matter and gray matter. Now in white matter, it is white appearance, and gray matter have like neuron cell bodies, and so that's it. Now like association areas. Now some limbic system, right? Now where is the limbic system? Okay, so the inner part of the cerebral hemisphere and a group of associated deep structure like amygdala, hippocampus, they form the limbic system, that is limbic lobe. And along with hypothalamus, it regulation of the sexual behavior, expression of emotional reactions, right? So regulation of sexual behavior and expression of emotional reactions, the excitement, pleasure, rage, and fear, and motivation. So midbrain, like, it is present between thalamus and hypothalamus of the forebrain and pons of the hindbrain. So pons, cerebellum, and then medulla oblongata. Now a canal, that is cerebral aqueduct, passes through the midbrain. So passes through the midbrain, right? Now the dorsal portion of the midbrain consists mainly of four round swellings, that is lobe, that is corpora, quadri, gemina, right? Now hindbrain, pons, cerebellum, and medulla, medulla is for like controlling the respiration, cardiovascular reflexes, and gastric secretions. Now brainstem. What is brainstem? So brainstem, like midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata, except the cerebellum part of the hindbrain, and they form the brainstem. Now it connects between the brain and spinal cord. So that's it. And the cerebellum, it is very convoluted surface, okay, that provides additional space for more neurons. So that's it. Like pons consist of fiber tracks that interconnect different regions of the brain. That's it. And corpora quadrigemina, it is four round swelling lobes, okay, in dorsal portion of the midbrain. Now the generation and conduction of nerve impulses, like 3 sodium goes outside and 2 potassium goes inside the cell. There is sodium potassium pump, it is active transport that needed the energy, right? Now there is resting potential and action potential. So resting potential, when the membrane is okay, so when a neuron is not conducting any impulse, that is resting, the axonal membrane is more comparatively more permeable to potassium ion and nearly impermeable to sodium ion. So outside it's positive charge, and inside it's negative charge. In the fluid outside the axon contains low concentration of K plus and high concentration, thus form a concentration gradient, right? Okay, so as a result, so all these, as a result, the outer surface of the axonal membrane possesses a positive charge, while inner one becomes the negative charge. So remember, so this is polarized stage, okay? So positive outside, negative inside. Now when the stimulus reach the membrane becomes freely permeable to Na plus. So there is rapid influx of Na plus into the exoplasm. So that is the reversible of the polarity. So negative charge goes inside and positive charge goes inside. Okay, now so the now membrane is depolarized. It was polarized, now it is depolarized. So it is action potential. This is the nerve impulse, right? Now this is the nerve impulse. So that's it. And now I'm reading this paragraph. The rise in the stimulus induced permeability to Na plus is extremely short lived. Okay, it is quickly followed by a rise in permeability to K plus. So as Na plus comes inside, K plus goes outside. So within a fraction of a second, K plus diffuses outside the membrane and restores the resting potential of the membrane at the site of the excitation, and fiber becomes more responsive to the further stimulation. No. So remember, it is like outside it is so outside it is like uh, outside it is positive, inside first negative, but after the depolarization it negative, outside positive. No, inside positive, outside negative. mm, so in the second diagram it is positive, negative, negative, and inside, and outside is negative, positive, positive, right? And in the first diagram, okay, in the outside it is positive, negative, positive. In inside it is inside it is positive, negative, negative. Okay, no, negative, positive, positive. Anyways, just leave it, just remember. No, fuck.